guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. I hope you guys are having a good Tuesday this far. So we are doing another rebate tutorial today on a favorite rebate app of mine. I have quite a bit of favorite rebate apps, but this one is super easy to maneuver. I promise you I would not be sharing these rebate apps if I didn't think they were simple and easy to figure out for all my newbies out there or even the OGs. But we're going to be talking about Shopkick today. Shopkick is super fantastic. I use it mostly at Walmart to, get the most bang for my buck in my rebate hauls and get some great products for the low. You can just even earn money just by walking into Walmart and walking into certain retailers. I mean, Shopkick is endless with the opportunities to earn money. You earn money by watching videos, walking in the store, scanning products, that sort of thing. I mean, it's basically like they're willing to just throw away money at this point. So we're going to be going over and doing a screen recording of how to maneuver through the app. If you are new to Shopkick, my referral link is down in the description box. If you guys want to go ahead and sign up, you'll get a little kickback just for using my link, and I would truly appreciate it very much. We've already been over Swagbucks, so if you've not seen that Swagbucks tutorial yet, I will also link it down in the description box if you guys want to check that out. And if you are new to Swagbucks, I also have that referral link. I have pretty much all my referral links for all my rebate apps in the description box. But like I said, we are just going through the rebate apps and trying to get you guys comfortable with using them, and obviously trying to get as much cash back as you can for items that you would probably purchase anyways. So we're going to go ahead and get into it. But first, if you are new, welcome. I'm so glad you are here to do a little rebate tutorial with me. Please be sure to consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload. Let's go ahead and do some screen recording. Home screen of the Shopkick app, where you will see basically all of the stores that you are eligible to redeem for some kicks, for rebates, I should say. We have lots of options. I realize they categorize it by the closest to you. So I have Dollar General and Food Line closest to me. And then you can just scroll down the list and see what all stores are participating, are eligible for you to Shopkick at. So just for example, I guess we will go ahead and go to the Walmart, because that is where I use Shopkick the most at. So for example, when you walk into Walmart, you will get 10 walk-in kicks. Now, in order to get any kicks through Shopkick, you want to make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on so it understands that you are in the store to get the walk-in kicks, the scan kicks, all of that. So right here you will see bundles. Bundles just means you have to buy a certain amount of participating products to get the total kicks. So for this bundle, we have to buy any Suave, Dove, or Tresemme shampoo or conditioner. So it'll show you down here in the offers in this bundle, you want to buy one of the Suave pinks, a Tresemme product, and a Dove shampoo. And all items must be purchased together on one receipt. And then it will show you the total amount of kicks you're getting. So it doesn't factor in the scan kicks, so pay attention down here where it talks about the separate offers. Go ahead and scan those products to get your 20 scan kicks for each of them, but it pretty much rounds up that you're going to get 2,100 kicks for purchasing all three, and then 325 bonus kicks because you purchased it as a bundle. Now notice, for this Tresemme right here, there is no size restriction. A lot of times you will see myself and other YouTubers here buying travel size products at Walmart, like the travel size bottles of Tresemme shampoo or conditioner, because there is no size exclusion. And it always goes through for me to get those like 700 kicks. However, because it's a travel size product, you're not going to get the scan kicks. So what we all try to preach is that you will get the scan kicks by scanning one of the larger products, which is what I try to do. Scan the larger product, but purchase the travel size product. It just seems like more bang for your buck. It's an easy little money maker. I mean, granted, it's travel size. If you want to grab the bigger bottles, if it's more useful for you, go ahead and do that. But for me, sometimes I just want some money makers to try to eat up my cost of things I really want at Walmart. So I will do this, but that's just something that I do. And then they have the categories. There's electronics here, hair care, beauty and personal care, antiperspirants, oral care, magazines, health care, body wash, all the good stuff. Just categorizes it all. Now, you definitely want to pay attention because, like, here's a good example. These Johnson Skin Nourishing body washes and lotions. Yesterday, on my way to Walmart, I noticed that these were offering 400 purchase kicks back. They've dropped to 120 purchase kicks now. So you always want to be refreshing the SHOPKICK app because they can take away the amount of kicks just like that. Sometimes it makes me nervous doing SHOPKICK rebates at Walmart because I spend about 30 minutes in Walmart, and sometimes I don't upload my receipt till I get back home, which is about 15 minutes away. In that time period, they can change the amount of kicks you're getting back. So you always want to be in the app checking. You don't want to check it the night before and then take the chance the next day that it's still there. You want to check before you go in store. You want to check while you're in store. So definitely keep that in mind. Like I said, always be checking this app. So, and it shows you up here the total of kicks you can get for scanning the products. Sometimes, I mean, if you're down with it, you can just go through the store and just scan the products just to get scan kicks. You don't necessarily have to buy the product, but I mean, I have a child with me and he's unpredictable. So if I had the time, I would scan products if I was just in Walmart trying to, kill some time, but I'm never trying to kill time in Walmart. I'm always in there with a purpose with him. So, and then it just shows you the total kicks you'll get back for the receipts. So then we'll go ahead and go to the top of the screen right here where it's showing the amount of kicks you have. Right now I have 2,500 roughly. And you see my reward that I am trying to earn is a $25 Ulta Beauty gift card. So I need 6,000 kicks to earn that. But here you will see like kicks activity shows you all the activity for redeeming kicks and redeeming for gift cards, all that good stuff, walking in store. And then we'll go back, how to earn kicks. It'll show you pretty much the step-by-step right here of, you walk in, you scan the product, purchase it, and then you can invite friends, all that good stuff. Then it'll show you down here with my rewards, all your rewards right here. I have a lot of PayPal redemptions, Starbucks, Amazon, Walmart. I've started buying Ulta gift cards now. And you can just click on, let's go to this one. You can click on this and you will see the reward. Obviously, I've already used this, but it gives you the option to view the reward, and it'll show you like a barcode to show your cashier if you are going ahead and redeeming for a gift card. And there's a lot of gift card options. We'll go ahead and look at reward options. So Target, TJ Maxx, we have Amazon, Walmart, Ulta, Starbucks, Kohl's, Old Navy. I mean, the rewards are endless. So for the sake of the video, we'll go ahead and redeem for a gift card. So I'm going to go ahead and redeem for a $10 Ulta gift card because I have enough kicks. It needs 2,500 kicks to redeem for. I have 2,550, so we'll go ahead and redeem kicks. Says, are you good to go? Kicks are finalized. Once you redeem them, that's it. Yeah, I'll go ahead and do that. Uh-oh. Well, that doesn't usually happen. Let's see. Let's see if it worked. Sometimes it... Let's try again. Real life, usually it works pretty flawlessly. There we go. Okay. So it says you can find your Ulta Beauty gift card under My Rewards. It may take several minutes to see the full reward. So we'll go ahead and see it. It says it's rolling off the assembly line. It'll be back check back in a few minutes, and it should be there for you to use. So that is how you redeem kicks. Like I said, you just need to have enough to redeem for. So you can start redeeming for gift cards at 500 kicks. I believe that's $5, or $2, I should say. $2, yes, $2. $5 would be $12.50. 10 would be 2,500. 25 would be 6,200. So the easiest way to figure out the kicks, how to figure out the dollar amount. So what I do is for example, let's just say 500 kicks. I'll do 500 times 0.004 to figure out the dollar amount of what the points come out to, So that's just the easiest way I figure it out. It's very simple to figure out the kicks, in my opinion. Just do that little equation and you should have it down pat. So we went over, how to maneuver through the stores. I guess I could show you guys how you would submit for a receipt. So let's go ahead and just say I bought this Suave Dove and Trust Me bundle. I'll go ahead and hit submit receipt. And then it'll ask you to claim your kicks. So if you bought anything else besides the bundle, you want to scroll through here and select everything you bought. Like if you bought a Garnier hair color, go ahead and click that. If you bought maybe a Maybelline, a deodorant, and then after you click everything, you would claim all the kicks, and that would lead you to take a picture of your receipt. Make sure you get the whole receipt in it with the date, all the prices, the total, the barcode, store, that sort of thing. And Shopkick is pretty good about getting your kicks back. A lot of people do suggest that you do your Shopkick offers on a separate receipt from your other rebate apps because it tends to process a lot faster. They can find the products you bought a lot faster with it being a minimal receipt. Most of the time, I just kind of put it on all on one receipt. I used to separate them in the beginning, but out of convenience, I do put it all on one receipt. And usually within 24 hours, I do get my kicks back. Let's see. Yeah, about 24 hours, I would say, I get my kicks back. So that is that. And then over here in the notification tabs, you'll find the kicks activity over here and announcements. So it shows you how many kicks you earned in March. I earned 5,000 kicks in March. Oh, so if you want to go and submit for like some customer service, if like, let's say you're having trouble with a rebate, like you submitted for it and you obviously purchased the correct product and it's still not allowing you to receive the kicks, go ahead and hit this little person icon right here. Then we can go in and hit the toolbar up here, and questions and support go here. You'll have to scroll a little bit or a lot. I go kind of fast. Okay, it's right here at the bottom of the screen. Can't find what you're looking for, email us. I haven't had to personally email Shopkick before for any sort of support. Usually I get back all my rebates. But if I had to, obviously this is the route I would take. I would email them. I would hope their customer service is fast. If you have used their customer service before and emailed them, let us know. I've just never had to because I've never had any issues. But yeah, I mean, that's that. Shopkick is super easy to maneuver. Sometimes there's certain rebates. I wish I could find an example, but I don't know. Certain rebates will offer you to watch a video to get like an additional couple kicks, that sort of thing. That doesn't happen too often for me, but that's another way to earn some easy money. Honestly, I mean, like I said, even if you're not using Shopkick for a particular rebate haul, I would at least turn on your Bluetooth and collect your 10 walk-in kicks because, you know, money is money. Even though it's a couple of cents, it starts to add up and then you can redeem for those gift cards. Forgot to mention, go back to the gift card option. So you can cash out to your PayPal if you have a PayPal account. So it'll just come pretty much the same way you redeem like a gift card, but you link your PayPal, the email associated with it. I think you log into your PayPal account. Yes, you log into your PayPal account and it will link it. But the way you are purchasing it is sort of equivalent to like that Ulta gift card I just bought. But it will hit your PayPal account. Usually mine hits within a couple of hours. It's very fast. Unlike Swagbucks takes a couple days to hit your PayPal account if you're cashing out. But for me, with Shopkick, PayPal is super fast. So let's go ahead and see if my Ulta reward is there. It is! Yay! So like I said, that's super fast. That was like, 2 minutes that I got my rewards, so that is that. Shopkick is super simple. Like I said, just scroll through, see what retailers you have around you that you can use Shopkick with. Most places that I use Shopkick, Walgreens, CVS, and Walmart. That's my main places. Yeah, pretty self-explanatory. Shopkick, like I said, is super easy to understand. I know that the kicks can be confusing. You don't understand the denomination of 500 kicks. Like I said, do that equation that is 500 kicks times 0.004. You'll figure out the denomination easily. So Just to clarify so there is no confusion, you would do the amount of kicks that the rebate you're looking at is offering times 0.004, not necessarily 500 times 0.004. That was just my example. It would just be however many kicks that said rebate is offering times that equation. So that is that. I hope this was a little bit helpful for you guys. And if you want to join Shopkick, my referral link is down in the description box. So hopefully that gave you guys a better idea of how to maneuver through that Shopkick app. Super easy to understand. I know sometimes the kicks can kind of throw people off because they're not quite sure how much money those kicks are worth. And like I said, just using that equation that I shared previously helps you understand how much money the kicks are equivalent to that sort of thing. Hopefully you found that screen sharing more helpful and gave you a better idea of how to use Shopkick and, you know, get all the money you can. Why the heck not? So that is it for me today. Pretty short and self-explanatory video. Like I said, if you're new to Shopkick or Swagbucks that I mentioned previously in a tutorial, those rebate apps are linked down in the description box. And let me know what other rebate apps you are needing help with. Of course, I'm just making my way through all of them. But if you are in more demand of needing a tutorial faster on a certain rebate app, please let me know. I will say Brand Club. I know Brand Club is new and everybody's trying to figure it out. I will not be doing a tutorial on that anytime in the next couple weeks just because I'm still new to it and figuring it out. So you just gotta give me a little bit of time to play with that app, and then I will come at you with a tutorial when I feel most comfortable that I have pretty much figured out everything with that app. So that is that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.